In this part of chapter, we'll see patterns which are formed by numbers or patterns in numbers. In last year, in 4th standard, you have studied about the patterns in numbers which are formed by the odd numbers, even numbers. You can see that what is mean by a pattern of the number. The pattern of a number is nothing but the sequence of a number in which the numbers are occurring in a particular rule, in a particular manner. They are following certain rules. So if you see the pattern of odd numbers in which 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So numbers, they are increasing or changing by 2. They are going to increase by 2. This pattern continue endlessly. We can write this pattern infinitely. So this pattern is an infinite pattern. Even the pattern which is made by even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, in which the numbers are increasing by 2 or decreasing by 2. When we are going from right to left, the numbers are decreasing by 2. So such a pattern formed by numbers is known as a pattern by numbers. Pattern. One more pattern which is written on the downside, which is 120, 115, 110, 105 and 100. You can see the numbers, they are going to decrease by 5 for every time. So the numbers are decreasing by 5, minus 5 every time. Even this pattern we can continue till we go up to 0. Next pattern we are having 2, 5, 8, 10. Can you guess what is the rule in this pattern? Yes, the numbers, they are changing by 3. They are increasing by 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. What will be the next 3 numbers in this pattern? It will be 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. And 17 plus 3, 20. In the next pattern, the numbers are going to repeat again and again, and they are forming 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number. Now next number will have 4 digits, so 2 will be repeated for 4 times. So it will be 2222. Next number will be 22,222. Next number will be 2,22,222. Can you guess what is the rule in this pattern? It's 3 and 8. The difference we can jot down is 5. In 13 and 8, the difference is a 5. In 18 and 3, the difference is again a 5. So these numbers are going to increase by 5. So naturally, we are going to add the 5 in the previous number to get next number. So 18 plus 5, it's 23. And 23 plus 5, 28. And 28 plus 5 will be 33. Next, we are having a pattern. Can you guess the rule in this pattern? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Now what's problem is occurring? What will be the rule in this pattern? It will be 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. Next number will be double of previous number. So 12 twos are 24. 24 twos are 48. And 48 twos are 96. Let us see some of the patterns which are based on this sum of numbers. For example, if I make the addition of first 3 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3, I will get 6. So if I skip 1 and take the addition of next 3 numbers as 2, 3 and 4, what I will get is 9. If I now skip 2 also and add next 3 numbers as 3, 4 and 5, the addition will be 12. Now you will see that these numbers, they are occurring in particular sequence. For example, 6 plus 3, 9. And 9 plus 3, 12. So the addition is changing by 3. So we are getting the change in 3 for every time. Next pattern which I have written is 2, 5, 17 and 26. Can you guess what will be the rule in this pattern? Now 2. I can see that 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, it's 5. What is the difference? It's a 12. Okay. And what is the difference in the next? It's of 9. So difference is also not changing properly. So what will be the rule in this number? If I multiply 1 with 1, what will be the answer? It's 1. Now if I add 1 in it, the answer will be 2. So 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1, it's 2. Now if I multiply 2 with 2, what will be the answer? 4. Now if I add 1 in it, I will get answer as 5. Now if I multiply 3 with 3, it will be 16. It will be 9. And if I add 1, it will be 10. And the next number, which is 17, it will be 4 multiplied by 4 plus 1, which will be 17. Next number which I have written is 26. It will be 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 is 26. If I multiply 1 with 1, what the answer will be like it? 1. If I multiply 11 with 11, what will be the answer? It will be 121. Now if I multiply 111 with 111, now here it's a 1-digit number, it's a 2-digit number. Now if I multiply 111 with the same number, what will be the answer? Can you guess? It will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 3 multiplied by 3. So this is a 3-digit number. When the 3-digit number is multiplied with a 3-digit number, the answer will be either a 5-digit number or a 6-digit number. But as it is not more than 5, the answer will be definitely a 5-digit number. So this is the possible answer, and not possible answer, this is the definite answer. Now what will be if I multiplied 1111 with 1111? The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because 4 multiplied by 4, the answer should be of 8-digit number, 7-digit number or 8-digit number. The answer is 7-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, if I multiply 1 with 1, if I multiply 11 with 11, the answer will be 121. Now, if I multiplied 101 with 101, what will be the answer? Can you guess? Multiply and you will find that it will be 10201. Because 3-digit number and a 3-digit number, 5-digit number, the answer cannot be more than 5-digit number. Now if I multiplied 1001 with 1001, the answer will be 1002001. If I multiply now with 1001 with 1000 with 1, what will be the answer? Can you guess? As there are 2 zeros in the multiplicand and multiplier, and the product also have 2 zeros before 2 and 2 zeros after 2. In this case also, there will be 3 zeros before 2 and 3 zeros after 2. And the answer will be 10002 0001. If I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 natural numbers or counting numbers. As I am saying the counting numbers or natural numbers, it means that as we start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and not from 0. 0 does not include in the counting numbers. So counting numbers start from 1. So if I add from 1 to 10, I will get 55. Now if I add next counting numbers from 11 to 20, 11, 12, 13 up to 20, what I will get is 125. Can you give the answer if I add all the counting numbers from 21 to 30? As you can see that the difference in these two answers is of 100. The difference in these two answers will definitely be 100, because all these numbers, they are directly going to increase by 10. Here 1 and 11, the difference is of 10. 2 and 12, the difference is of 10. This difference is for 10 times. 10 tens are 100, so the difference is of 100. Here also the difference in the 11 and 21 and 16 and 26 and 20 and 30 is of 10. So this is a difference of 10 for 10 times. This difference, if I add, means 10 tens are 100. If I add in 155, I will get as answer as 255. So difference is of 100. So there is increase in a number of 100. Definitely, if I add all the counting numbers from 31 to 40, what will be the answer? The answer will be 255 plus 100, that is 355. What is meant by triangular numbers? Now, you may have seen your rule book. In rule book, we are going to take first row, in which we are going to give one dot. So we are starting with one dot, and the first triangular number is 1. Now in second, I will give one dot in the first row and 2 dots in second row. So if I join these 3 dots, what I will get is a triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 3. Then in the third, if I put 1 dot in the first row, 2 dot in the second, and 1, 2, 3 in the third, if I join the outer dots, what I will get is again a triangle. So how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now in the third case, I am going to draw 1 dot in first row, 2 dots in second, 3 dots in third, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 rows, 4 columns. However, the number of dots will increase as per the number of rows. First, second, third, and fourth. If I join all these dots, what I will get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10. You will see that every time what I am getting is a triangle. That's why these numbers are known as the triangular numbers. These numbers, they are going to increase in the triangular form and going to make a number series. We'll see that number 1 and 3 have a difference of 2. 3 and 6 having a difference of 3. 6 and 10, it is going to have a difference of 4. Now, the difference is going to increase every time by 1. So 1 and 3, 2. So difference is of 2, 3, 4. Now the difference will be of 5. So next triangular number will be 15. Let's prove this by drawing the dots and connecting them. So for a first row, I am going to give 1 dot. For a second row, I am going to give 2. For a third, I am going to give 3. For a fourth, I am going to give 4 dots. For a fifth row, I am going to give 5 dots. Now if I connect all the external dots, what I will get is a triangle. Even if I connect the remaining dots, what I will get is again a triangle. That's why these numbers are known as triangular numbers. So triangular numbers which are increasing every time by the number which is increasing by the counting number. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number will be 15 plus 6, that is 21. Now, so for how we can give the triangular numbers? The triangular numbers, they are increasing by order which can be given as Tn, where we will give the triangular number as n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n divided by 2. For example, if I want, because the 1 is the first triangular number, where n is the nth triangular number, if I want third triangular number, so I will put T3, which is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which is nothing but 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2, and this will give to the 6. So if you see in the figure, the third triangular number, as we begin from the 1, 2 and 3, third triangular number is 6, which is proved by the formula itself that the third triangular number is 6. So to give the formula for triangular number is Tn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Next, we will see what is mean by square numbers. So as we have done for a triangular number, I will done for the square number. So for a square number, again I will take a ruled page and I will start from the first row. In the first row, I will give 1 dot. So first square number is 1. In second condition, I will give 2 dots in each row. So number of dots in each row will be equal to the number of rows. So here 2 dots, 2 rows, 2 dots, 2 rows means 2 rows, 2 columns. If I join these points, what I will get is a square, and this number is nothing but 4. The number indicated by the dots is 4. In the next case, I am going to take 3 rows in which I am going to put 3 columns of dots. So 3 dots, 3 rows, and the number of dots will be equal to 3 3s are 9, and the next square number, the next number of this series is 9. If I join the dots, again what I will get is the square. Next condition, I will take 4 dots in each row. So 4 rows and 4 columns. Again, if I join these all the dots, what I will get is a square, and the number of dots will be 16 in this case. 4 4 the 16. If I join internal dots also, what I will get is a square. Again, what will be the next square numbers? You will see that all these dots are appearing in a particular sequence. For example, 1 is appearing as a 1 multiplied by 1. There's 1. Here 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So you can see that 3 multiplied by 3 is a square of a 3. So this is a square number. So square numbers series is nothing but the series of a square of a rounding numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. 16 is nothing but 4 multiplied by 4. What will be the next number? Next number will be 5 multiplied by 5, which is nothing but 25. Let's prove it by drawing the dots and connecting them. So 5 rows, 5 columns of the dot, 1 2 3 4 5. Same 5 columns I will draw, and I will connect the dots. Let's see which figure I will get by connecting the dots. If I join all these dots, the figure that I will get is a square. Again, if I join the internal dots, the figure I will get is a square. So that's why these number pattern. The savings of Aditya for first 5 months is given on the board. For January it was a 56. For February it was 112. For March it's 224. For April it's 448, and for May it's 896. What will be the savings of next 3 months of June, July, August? You can see that for January to February the saving is doubled. Again, February to March the saving is doubled. 222 plus 222, sorry, 212 plus 212 is 224. Again, from March to April the saving is doubled. From April to May, again the saving is doubled. In June, again it will be doubled. So 896 multiplied by 2, it will be 1792 in the June. What will be in the July? In the July it will be double of in the June. So it will be 384. What will be the saving in the August? Double of July. 3584 multiplied by 2, which will be nothing but 16,168 rupees. So in this way we can use the number pattern to predict what will be the saving, what will be the profit loss, or what will be the wear and tear for a machinery or depreciation of the different products.